go into, I don't know, let's name a company. Let's say you went into Juicens yourself.
Yep.
Or you went into B&Q, or you went into Magnet, anywhere you went. And something went badly wrong.
Yeah.
You've now got to sort that out yourself. Yes or no?
Yeah, absolutely, 100%.
And not being funny, depends the person on the end of the counter, whether he can be bothered, he likes you, or he'll just stonewall you by saying, that's the way it is, sir, there's no refund, or, yeah, we'll get it sorted, and 6 weeks later, it's still not sorted out. With us, you don't get into that.
Right.
You ring us, and then we deal with it with the manufacturer or with the partner. Now, sometimes that can sometimes be delayed because some people are thinking, oh God, I've got to make a decision here. Sometimes they go, Nick, we'll get that sorted. Then we get an apology, or the member will get an apology, or some they say, oh, it's your member's fault. Yeah. So we try to be fair on both counts.
Yep.
And if it's bad news to the member, we'll make that phone call. So we always try to be honest in dealing with any issues, but you have us to back you up.
Yeah.
The other thing that they're doing at the moment is, like, who's LNPG? Do I want to pay them £250 to join? Don't forget we've got 3 levels, 199, 299, 399. Do I want to join that group? Am I really going to save my money? Because we can't advertise, what we've come up with is meet the manufacturer.
Yeah.
On a Wednesday, why we've been in lockdown is that we have done Zoom meetings and Facebook Live every Wednesday at 6:45 till 7:15, and come and meet the manufacturer. Like, we've met Juicens, we've met Johnston's, we've met Magnet, we've done 9 or 10. And come 2nd of September, we're going to start them again up until the end of the year.
Nice.
So what we're going to try and do in September and October is how to design a kitchen, how to design a bathroom, and start to move into that as well, so it gives better
Really
benefit.
good. Yeah.
But answering your question, it's going to be blind faith.
Yeah.
It really is. To join LNPG, it's blind faith, but don't forget you are protected because you get 14-day cooling off period.
I don't think it is blind faith, because I think, as you said rightfully on the Facebook group, there's so many testimonials of people who know it. Me too. I think it's absolutely superb. I've saved my money many times over, and excited of what I can do on more projects.
Yeah, but I'm biased. I'm going to say
no,
that.
absolutely. Look, we're just about to put in on an HMO house. We're going to put in planning for 6 apartments. Each one of those will be, completely separated off, so they have their own boilers and everything. And I know in them, just my refurb costs, I'm going to save tens of thousands of pounds.
Yeah, you can do, and you really can do. But it's so hard that you've got 2 properties and you think, oh, do I want to spend £199? And you sit back and go, do I, don't I? Again, but what I don't quite understand, if it was free, everybody would be a member, because there's no cost to that. But then people would come in and out, and we would lose control of it. By regulating it, because the manufacturers want it regulated, because you're not allowed to buy stuff for friends, family, members.
No.
The trade are not allowed on the door. That's why the membership fee's there. But also, if we don't make any money, that we can't offer that service. The council are run by taxpayers. So this has to be run by landlords, and that's the only way that we can make this work. And we always look at what we charge. I have not had a price increase, for 3 years now, and we've kept it at £199. So if you own 1 to 3 properties, including your own, we charge you £199. And then you go from 4 to 25 properties is £299, and then 26 and above is £399. So they're the 3 tours, but don't forget that we have the rollover. So you're not actually wasting, you've saved it, or you get free membership until you do. I don't understand where people are thinking, oh, it's not worth it. I see loads of articles, good and bad, and they're on our Facebook, and we never hide from that.
No.
Yeah, because when we fail, we fail. We fall over and then have to get back up on a particular brand or a particular product. So we don't ever hide. Our Facebook group is what I call real.
I like
You'll see the good, the bad, and the ugly. We don't ever delete posts either, and that's important, because we live by what we say. if I get it wrong, it comes directly to me.
Yep.
It doesn't go, I don't duck the bullet, as it's called. I go, I got that one wrong.
Yeah, and look, a property investor is absolutely the same. Look, when we see a property, and look, there's a lot of sourcing agents out there, which I won't really comment on, but I've been victim of, they say this is really good. You go along and have a look and you say, for goodness sake, why didn't you tell me or show me that massive crack in the wall? I don't mind. I will make a decision when I'm going to knock it down or sort it, but tell me the truth about it. I want to know all the ugly things or whatever. So, and we're all human, we make mistakes. And what I like, Nick, is you are straight arrow, and I like it.
I try to, that's all I can be, because the industry we're in, it is hard.
It is.
And I'm a builder by trade.
Yep.
I'm a carpenter and joiner by trade, and if it's hard for me, it's going to be hard for landlords, and they need backup.
Yeah.
And we try to give them that backup.
What I do want to put one thing to bed, and that is what you cannot do with LNPG, and that is you can't go in here and think you can start buying products and selling them to your mates. That is a no-no.
Yeah, we probably catch 1 or 2 people doing that every month.
Yeah, that's not good, and it's not good for what we want to do. So please don't go down that road.
Because it really
spoils it for other people.
It really does, because we had a situation where somebody went in and brought a load of boilers, and I had to ring the MD up of Worcester and say, and he went, and now our contract's changed. It's really quite tight. That if we find somebody buying boilers or products and reselling them, they would have to pay us the difference between the contract price and the trade price. The difference. And it's quite a lot of money.
No, definitely. So, Nick, this has been absolutely brilliant. Thank you for having us in your new offices today.
I forgot. I'm in my new office now.
New offices. Actually, it's beautiful. Probably see if we can put a picture of the barges outside. It looks so beautiful. It really does. But how do people become members? What do they do?
Again, it's easy. Join LNPG by going to LNPG's website or ring us here.
What's the address of the website?
It's www.lnpg.co.uk.
Perfect.
That's really easy.
Okay.
And or ring us here.
Okay.
Again, once you go on the website, you'll see the telephone number. That's 01455 234499.
We'll put it here.
And the other thing is, I would always say to members, ring and join. Okay. And the reason I get people to do that, it's a longer process. That we will tell you what we will be doing for you, like which accounts we're going to open, which ones you have to open. So you have to upload your portfolio because the manufacturers are monitoring where the products are going. And so people who just join, suddenly 2 weeks, 3 weeks down the line, hit a problem, is because they haven't done something. So we talk to them. Also what we do is we give them a call. If we haven't had that initial call, we ring them within 4 weeks of joining. We ring them 6 months, because if they've got an issue or something's gone wrong, or we can pick it up really early, and then we ring them towards the end of their membership. Okay, and then we try to do that every year. And as we're growing, I mean, I'm so proud. Even through this COVID-19, LNPG have had its record month in memberships for last month and the month before. We did 480 and 487 members.
Brilliant.
We've had a record month with Johnson's Decorating Store. We've had a record month with Jewson's. We've had a record month on bathrooms. Magnet holding its own. How they have done the amount and level of business just blows me away when they've still got so many people on furlough. I was speaking to Jill. Jill's been doing quotes on a Saturday and Sunday in the evenings, on a Saturday and Sunday in her own time, which I'm... And then I get a text from the National Sales Director from Magnet saying, unbelievable. And I'm so proud of it at the moment. It's going really, really well.
That's great. And Nick, as as we are going, it looks like, potential recession. This is brilliant because, when the country keeps spending, it helps the GDP come up, and you're bringing a solution and helping the country recover. So,
I mean, this year we'll spend probably between 11 and 12 million. Yeah. And that's a lot.
Yeah, it's a chunk.
That's a big chunk of money.
It's good. It's brilliant. It really is.
And again, so I'm really proud of what we've all achieved. Not just
I
was only the person that filled the car up.
Yeah.
So many people have helped LNPG, like the trainers, like you, Trevor. Yeah. Like the manufacturers. There's so many people to thank for where we are today, and I don't take that glibly either. I don't take that I'm really humbled in what people have done for us, but also what the companies have done for LNPG members as well.
No, it's brilliant, and thank you to you, Nick, for doing everything. So listen, Nick, thank you. I really enjoyed today. I think you have as well.
I know, it's been brilliant for us. Yeah, thank you for coming in.
Guys, listen, get on the Facebook, look on the website, and give them a call.
It's been a pleasure.
Take care.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Cheers, mate.
Bye-bye. Oh, yeah.